At number 1, we have the electric heating pad. This premium oversized electric heating pad stands out as one of the best options for targeted pain relief and daily relaxation. Measuring generously to cover the neck, shoulders, and entire back, it delivers soothing heat through multiple adjustable settings, allowing you to choose the perfect temperature for your needs. The soft, plush fabric feels luxurious against the skin and is fully machine washable for easy maintenance. A built-in auto shut-off timer adds safety, preventing overheating during longer sessions. It's lightweight yet durable, with even heat distribution that avoids hot spots. Many users with chronic back pain or muscle stiffness report significant relief. Whether you're recovering from a long work day or seeking comfort, this heating pad provides a spa-like experience at home. Highly recommended for seniors, athletes, or anyone dealing with everyday aches. It's a bestseller for its effectiveness, comfort, and value.
At number 2, we have the Smart Fan for Bedroom. This is the DREO Smart Fan, a game changer for optimal sleep and comfort. It unleashes a circulation storm. With powerful 3D oscillation, it rapidly circulates air throughout large bedrooms, eliminating hot spots in under a minute. Operating at an impressively quiet 20 dB, it won't disturb your rest, while still offering 9 speeds and multiple modes. Enjoy full smart integration via app or voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant. Plus, features like 8 12-hour timers, a convenient night mode, and customizable RGB lighting add even more convenience. The DREO Smart Fan. It's no wonder it's a top Amazon bestseller. Upgrade your comfort today.
At number 3, we have the Portable Power Station Home Backup Battery. This is your essential companion for emergencies, keeping fridges, lights, and all your essentials running when the power goes out. And it's perfect for camping and road trips, delivering clean, reliable power anywhere. Unlike noisy gas generators, it operates at a library level 30 dB, giving you undisturbed peace. With fast solar wall or car charging and a 10-year battery life, it's a long-term investment in your peace of mind. That's why the Jackery Power Station is a must-have for preppers, families, and adventurers alike.
At number 4, we have the Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe is a powerhouse for homes with pets, carpets, and hard floors. Exceptional suction power combined with the Pet Power Brush effortlessly lifts embedded hair, dirt, and debris. The innovative lift-away feature lets you detach the pod for portable cleaning on stairs, furniture, and above-floor areas. HEPA filtration traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, improving indoor air quality. Swivel steering provides excellent maneuverability, while the large dust cup reduces emptying frequency. Users with pets consistently rate it 4.5 plus stars for transforming messy floors quickly. Lightweight design and included tools add versatility. Reliable, affordable, and durable. A consistent Amazon bestseller in upright vacuums.
At number 5, we have the Liquid Capacity Frozen Drink Maker. This innovative slushy machine turns your favorite drinks into perfect, smooth frozen treats in about 20 minutes, with no added ice needed. The large capacity serves 4 to 6 people easily. It features 5 intuitive presets for soda, juice, cocktails, or even wine. The LED display and touch controls make operation simple, while the self-cleaning cycle saves you time afterward. It freezes beverages into velvety, restaurant-quality slush without dilution or chunks. Perfect for summer parties, movie nights, or making margaritas and frozen coffees at home. Quiet operation, a compact footprint, and easy cleaning are big pluses. It's a fun, practical gadget that delivers consistent results and that wow factor every time.
At number 6, we have the AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with Matrix Clean. Shark's AI Ultra with LiDAR home mapping delivers thorough, intelligent cleaning with minimal effort. It creates precise maps of your home and navigates efficiently in grid patterns, leaving no spots missed. It even avoids obstacles intelligently, so you don't have to pre-clean. Its powerful suction and anti-tangle brush roll are perfect for pet hair and daily dust on any floor type. Use the app to schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, and spot clean from anywhere. And the self-emptying base holds up to 30 days of debris with HEPA filtration for cleaner air. The Shark AI Ultra. Premium performance at a competitive price for spotless floors, effortlessly.
At number 7, we have the Red Light Therapy for face and body. This effective panel combines 660 nanometer red light and 850 nanometer near-infrared wavelengths for skin rejuvenation and deep tissue recovery. High irradiance ensures shorter, effective sessions of just 10 to 20 minutes. Users experience reduced wrinkles and improved skin tone and clarity. It's also perfect for faster muscle recovery and easing joint or muscle soreness. Its portable, lightweight design with stand options allows for full-body or targeted use anywhere. The perfect, non-invasive, drug-free wellness tool for yourself or a loved one. Get your Comfy Temp panel today.
This advanced powered facial device brings professional skincare home with pore extraction, deep cleansing, and hot-cold therapy attachments. Hot mode opens pores for better impurity removal, while cold therapy reduces puffiness, soothes, and locks in hydration. Gentle suction and massage improve circulation and product absorption for instantly refreshed, glowing skin. Users notice smoother texture, fewer breakouts, and a spa-like glow. It's compact, rechargeable, and easy to clean, perfect for busy routines. Great for all skin types seeking visible results without salon visits. The Shark-powered facial system, your at-home beauty gadget that delivers professional-level results.
At number 9, we have the wireless TENS unit muscle stimulator for pain relief. This dual-channel wireless TENS EMS unit offers drug-free pain relief and muscle recovery in a compact, portable package. Multiple programs target aches or soreness. Dual channels treat multiple areas simultaneously. The wireless design allows wear during daily activities without restricting movement, a modern upgrade over traditional wired units. It's incredibly easy to use. Just peel, stick, and press to start your personalized therapy. Highly versatile for different muscle groups, perfect for home use, travel, or even while exercising. FDA cleared, rechargeable, and discreet. The Comfy Temp wireless TENS unit is your reliable partner for pain relief.
At number 10, we have the 3-in-1 portable air conditioner with cooling, 1 unit, 3 amazing uses: stay cool, dehumidify on damp days, or just enjoy a refreshing breeze. Control your comfort with the intuitive touch panel or the convenient remote. With 8,000 BTU of power, it efficiently cools spaces up to 350 square feet. Enjoy quiet, uninterrupted sleep with our advanced 48 dB noise isolation system and sleep mode. Setup is a breeze with the universal window kit, and the smooth wheels let you cool any room. Not sure what you need? Our simple guide helps you pick the perfect unit for your space. The GAR-V 3-in-1 portable air conditioner, your all-in-one solution for year-round comfort. Get yours today.